Hey YouTube, what's going on? Venom392 here, back with another video. Today is the Mid Muffler Delete review. I'll be doing an in-car review for you guys. But first and foremost, I do want to discuss one thing, and that's going to be my name change. I am going to be changing my name. I'm not too sure exactly to what yet. I'm thinking we can do like a Bolo crew, because I would like you guys to be part of like a crew with me. And for those of you that don't know what Bolo means, I know some of you might know what that means, but Bolo is a police term used for be on the lookout. So let's just say, for example, I go speeding past a cop and they lose track of me. They're gonna say Bolo for black Charger. You know, they're not gonna know the model, or I'm sure some might, but they're just gonna say black Charger, Dodge Charger, or Bolo, I don't know, green Porsche or something. So I don't know, that's just something I thought that was like pretty interesting and pretty cool. But let me know what you guys think of that name. Bolo crew, be on the lookout crew. I thought it sounded pretty cool. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, today's a review of the Mid Muffler Delete. And also, you guys, I'm sorry for the camera angle. I know my camera sits a little higher than what I would like, but that's probably as low as I can get without blocking my vision. I do appreciate you guys watching the video once again. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what you guys think. Thanks. All right, you guys, so welcome to the first portion of the video. This is, again, the Mid Muffler Delete on a 2019 Scat Pack. Keep in mind, these exhausts come different than the 2018, 2017, 2016, 2015 models. Don't know what's different. I mean, it sounds a little more aggressive when it comes to stock, so this is going to sound probably a little bit different than your older models, but either way, it's pretty close. Right now, I am in eco mode. I don't know if you guys can hear the exhaust. It's pretty quiet right now. Stepped on it just a little bit. I'm at 40 right now, so man, it's pretty quiet right now. So what I really like about this modification that we did is, you know, right now it's quiet. You know, especially when I have a baby in the car, it's quiet, it's good. Has a nice little growl to it. The baby likes it. She actually falls asleep to it, you know, faster than anything else we can do. As in, like, trying to help get her to sleep. That's one thing I do enjoy, is I just put it in eco mode for her, and it kind of like is a soothing lullaby for her. So that's one plus for me. And you know, it's overall, you know, no drone at all. It sounds really good. You know, as you can see, I'm going about 40. Let me step on it a little bit for you. It's about as loud as it gets. I mean, unless you really floor it, then of course your exhaust is going to be loud. So let's go ahead and floor it a little bit in eco. Alright guys, I already went over the eco mode, so let's head on out and let's oh shit, see, man, I'm like sitting pretty low for you guys, so just an FYI. Let's go ahead and try sport mode. It's not as loud as track mode, but let's go give it a shot. Let's see what we can do. So that's sport mode right here. Put my windows down just a little bit. Man, I'm looking at the preview. I don't know if you guys see my phone right here. I'm looking at the preview. I feel like I'm just like you guys are looking at the roof. That's honestly what I feel like. I mean, that's let me sit straight up for you guys so you guys can see. That's me sitting straight up right here. That's like how I normally drive. So I'm scooting down right now just so you guys can get a better view of even what I'm looking at. I don't know if the camera's even picking up what I'm looking at, because I know how that is. And on my phone it doesn't look like it's doing it, so we'll see. Yeah, so I like sport mode because it's not as loud as track, but it gives it a great sound. With the Mid Muffler Delete, I feel like it's I would say like a clean muscle car sound, where the track mode gives it like that, like it's fucking eating up the ground, gonna straight up destroy your car kind of sound. But the sport mode gives it you know, like I said, a clean sound. So you guys are gonna hear it right now. Not as much pops as track, but it definitely gives it a little more. Stop in the middle of the road. Busy road. But yeah, as you guys can hear, it sounds good. No complaints about this one at all. No, I don't complain about track mode. I'm not gonna say that. But I do like how this sounds clean. Like I said, I mean, all the one I label sport mode is the clean sound. It sounds good. The only reason why this one sounds clean, you guys, is because it has a valve in there in the exhaust pipes where it's opening and closing and, you know, setting where whatever mode you're in. So if I'm in eco mode, that valve's going to close and it's going to make it less quiet. If I'm in sport mode, it's going to open it up a little bit and make it sound a lot more clean. And then when I go track mode, that thing's going to open all the way up and it's going to sound aggressive. Almost kind of like a cutout switch, but it has its own like system in there. So still not as loud as that cutout switch though, where it's just like straight pipe all the way through. Let's get one more sound in sport mode. Stepped on it right there. That sounds sick. Alright, you guys, so that's sport mode. As far as the exhaust system goes and the muffler, how it sounds, this is a Mid Muffler Delete again, just to let you guys know. Now let's go track mode. Let's see how this sounds. Man, that sounds so good. I love track mode. Track mode is by far my favorite. I probably put it in this mode all the time. Actually, I put it in custom. Just kind of like the steering and the traction to be on. But yes, I do know you lose power when you have traction on, but I spin a lot. Even on 315s, spin a lot. So I'd rather have it grip and then go ahead and take off. But anyways, that's another story. So I love track mode. Amount of pops it gets. I don't know if you guys can hear those pops. Sounds so clean. I love just that aggressive noise. A loud roar. I don't like to go in this mode with my baby just because I know for sure that'll wake her up. Man, it sounds good. I love it. You guys do enjoy the video, please leave me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like this view? Do you guys want me to do a little more videos like this? I'm gonna be doing some more car videos soon, so hope you guys enjoy it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.